How to set the screensaver to display device control on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on display. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on screensaver. In here, tap on device control. Now you can then tap on preview. And in here, this is what it looks like once you have set it to device control. From here, you can quickly access your device control from your screensaver. Now the screensaver will be activated after the screen turns off automatically while your phone is charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.